targets on each one.
Whew, good morning. Good freaking morning. Hope you're having a fabulous day. Fabulous. We are up here doing some target shooting. Sighting in, I'm sighting in my 270, making sure that it's dialed in, and he's sighting in his 7 mag, getting ready for elk season in 2 months. So I'll show you how to do that today, and hopefully try to do it right. So, but we're gonna set up a target at, what do you say, 200 yards? 200. We got one at 200, and then about 300 and something. So
yeah, we're gonna put 2 targets on this one here, so you'll have one, I'll have one, and then we'll set this one further out.
Further out that way. We're gonna be shooting from down there. So, but yeah. Whew. The hikes always get me. Always get me. Look, it's beautiful, huh? Minus all the freaking trash. You come up here, you shoot, you take your trash. Jeez Louise. Can't take it sometimes.
Oh,
snap. Put a couple staples going down this way.
Yeah,
oh man. Nice and crooked. There you go. That should be alright. Alright, so we got our other target, our last one up right here. As you can see, this is a shoot and see. We have a spot and scope up, so we'll be able to see and determine your MOAs and how far you got to drop your bullet, or you know, move your scope left to right, up or down, and so on and so forth. So but our goal is today is to hit that guy right there. This is pretty close to 300 yards. Here, got another target down over there. That one's close to 200 yards. And like I said, we're gonna be shooting from way back there. And now it's the hike back. That's the only downfall about that. You don't have, you come up here, I mean, you know, you can shoot up here. It's fun. You know, they definitely changed a lot up here due to too many people coming up here, to be honest with you, and then just too many people trying to shoot at once. And you know, I mean, it's fun, but come on guys, take your trash out. That's what kind of ruins it for everybody, you know, everybody that plays by the rules and packs their trash out, does what they need to do, and you guys leave your trash. So this is the fun part, hiking back, setting up. Soon we'll be popping off shots. Woohoo! Yeah. All right. So this is my beautiful weapon of choice. This is my Savage 270, and what I'm going to be putting through the barrel today is going to be this Winchester 270 grain, or Winchester 270 150 grain. Okay, the ballistics are pretty crazy. Zeroes in at 200 yards, and then from 300 yards, 400 yards, 500 yards, so on and so on. As you can see, it loses a lot of energy, and the bullet actually drops 19.1 inches from 300 to 400 yards. So that's a big drop. To be honest with you, I don't think I'll be taking a 400 yard shot this year, but you never know. So we're gonna start with the 200, and then we're gonna start with the 300, which it looks very, very small. So, but check this out. Watch this, watch this, watch this, watch this. Ain't that handy? Ain't that handy? We gotta make sure that this one's popped open as well. So, but this is my weapon of choice. So I'm gonna be shooting today. Yeah, like I said, that's what I'm gonna be putting in. It's gonna be ready. We'll be good to go. He's not set up yet. He's setting up the beautiful spot and scope, so we'll be able to see the targets up there, so we don't have to go back and forth and back and forth. And yeah, Winchester 270 Savage. All right, he's going hot. This is 7 mag. And this is what we got.
What the fuck? I'm high all of a sudden here, so.
Oh. We'll quit smoking dope. Dope and firearms do not mix. Sir, you're cut off. He's adjusting.
Still just a little high.
Isn't that cool? Spot and scope. It's pretty cool. Might invest in one of those.
Alright, I'm hot.
Alright, he's going hot. Alright. Foster. 200 yards. Top target. Cold bore.
A little high right.
Yeah, a little high right, dude. Right.
Yep.
There.
Yep, so that's 222.
2 MOAs down, 2 MOAs to the left.
Remember now, it's 1/4 inch per 100, right?
Yep.
So when you it's doubles. When you okay, bottom target 270. New ammo. You shoot at the bottom target. Way left, dude. You didn't even hit the target.
Really?
Yep. Okay, so he's gonna shoot one more time. Left.
All right, so my second shot was right there. We think could have been my first shot, but that one right there was my shot. And this guy told me I missed a paper.
I didn't see that other one.
There's no way. There was no way. There's no way. But we'll shoot it again, see if we can get closer. So, but that's a pretty smoking good shot if you ask me, at 200 yards. Awesome. Now this guy, he's going hot. I'll take 2 more shots and see if I can cluster right there. All right. Second shot, 200 yards, 7 mag.
Still to the right. High.
Yeah, still to the right high. You only went down. You didn't even go down an MOA. You only went over left one MOA. So that scared me. You see the camera shake? Alright, so he went 8 clicks to the left and 8 clicks down.
Alright.
You're on safety. There you go. Better safe than sorry. Third shot. Ooh, that one was way higher. Your MOA's to the left. You went 2 MOAs to the left, and now you got to come back down because now you're 1 MOA up.
I wonder if I pulled it a little bit.
You could have been a possibility. Was your barrel hot?
It's a little warm. I'm a little cool.
All right, my turn.
Bird. All right, here we go. So this would be his 3rd shot now. Now he's verifying to make sure he's hitting where he's supposed to be hitting. You got to duplicate your shots. Okay. You had to pull it, dude. Okay. Alright. Alright, so he's shooting it again. His shot's up here. So now he's gonna, he thinks he pulled it a little bit. Okay, so now you about duplicated that 1 shot. You're an MOA off. Alright, I'm hot.
4 shot, 7 mag. Ooh, he's way down here.
It's low, huh?
Way low, dude.
That's what I'm thinking.
You're way low right there.
And to the left.
Mm-hmm.
God damn it. So I'm gonna put it back.
Yeah, that's it right there. Some nice shots right there. I'll probably take a couple more shots
I'm gonna go right.
at that just to
1, 2, 3, 4,
just to see if I can
6,
duplicate
7,
that a few
8.
times. So
And then
he's readjusting. Glorious day. Look at that, beautiful. Yeah, we got some rain coming this afternoon, so we gotta get a move on. I see nothing. What happened? What happened?
Get out of here. I fucking pulled it. I had to, man. No fucking way. All my shots are on target but that one.
Oh wow.
I just don't know if the D-ring will fit.
Look at that beauty.
It should fit.
That vintage scope.
Yeah, I prefer wood.
Yeah.
Oh man, they're on there tight too.
That's a nice one. was gonna swap out that scope for this one. I think it will fit. Yeah, it'll fit. It'll fit. I'll trade you.
He has about the same.
Yeah, let me put that one on my.
It's the same scope.
Let me put this one on mine.
Why? It's the same scope.
Oh, it is, huh? Stupid.
That's the one that was on there.
Stupid.
So let me check this eye release.
But check this out. See, we got the bipods. See that extends. Well, sometimes we got extends. Nice thing. It's a nice little setup. He's got that one over there.
You got this is a.
All right, well, while he's over there dinking around with that thing, I'm gonna shoot my 9mm at that little target. So going at. It's been a while since I shot my 9. Whoa, what the hell? Empty. That was a dud. It was a dud.
Got it.
Cool.
I got it.
Cool. He said he got it.
You gotta roll the firing pin back.
Oh yeah.
You gotta roll this back. You roll this back. Then you take this and you hold that, and then it. Oh, damn it! Hold on. Gotta get that safety down.
Well, you got it in. Don't take it out. You gotta take it out to lube it though.
There,
Oh,
see?
there you go.
So then, when you gotta get it in there, then you gotta roll this firing pin back. Pull the trigger, hold the safety. Add it in there. Roll the firing pin back. What a pain in the ass safety shit, but
Wow.
there it is.
Totally different than those ones.
Yep.
Yep. Cool. I think that's the highest. I think that one was the one up there.
Yeah, I pulled it.
Yeah. Let's try this again.
Bottom right.
Yep, bottom right. 2 and 2. 2 left, 2 up.
Yep.
Alright, so check this out. He shot that one right there next to the blue target. That was a good one. And he was like, oh, I'm gonna try to duplicate it. Well, I think he went for the wrong blue target. Oh man, it's good stuff. It's good stuff. I love it. Alright. It's kind of hard to see, but this one's a 300 yard. My first shot was up there. My second shot was down here. I was using the circle on the in the scope. That's an indication of 300 yards. So my next shot, I'm gonna put the crosshairs on this one and then see what it does. Ooh. And hopefully I can get a better result If not, looks like I'm gonna have to be adjusting my scope. But he's adjusting for the 300 yard. And because he's just gonna be shooting up here. We'll see what happens. Alright, it's going hot. In a minute. He's making some adjustments. Safety off. Bottom left.
Yep.
See.
Close to the orange.
Yeah, you're in the orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're 6 MOAs down and 1 MOA to the right. You need to go. So you need to go up. You need to go 6 MOAs up.
So see, I just put center crosshair. Just
Did
to
you?
See.
Oh, just to see the drop on that?
Yep.
Yeah, that was
now I'm gonna adjust.
Gotcha. Damn, dude, that was a nasty drop, dude.
Safety's on.
I'll just have to let mine cool down before I can do that and see what it does. But that was a good shot, dude.
So how many MOAs again? You said 6?
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the center. Safety.
Yeah, I'm just getting
okay. So you're getting ready.
I want to make sure the gun's relaxed too. I don't want to fucking pull it like I pull all the others.
They're shooting over there. And here's some ricochets. Alright, let's go. Let's see what he gets on this one. Alright, so 2 MOAs down, and then you gotta come 1, 2, 3.
So to the right.
3 to the left.
Yeah, I pulled it to the right.
Oh, did you?
Shots
okay.
to the right?
Yeah.
I can't tell.
Yeah, it's in this one right here. Fun hike. We're taking a 200 yard target. And we're gonna move it down. But not too shabby if you ask me. It's my first couple of shots here, and then I started warming up and relaxing a little bit. Still in the kill zone. Man, that guy's all over the place. Should have brought a target. Yeah, so that one's a 200 yard shot. That one looks pretty good. Kind of satisfied with that. I'm gonna try not to make any adjustments on my scope. So I'm gonna take a handful of other shots at this 300. I already shot at it a couple of times, as you guys saw, and pretty flower. Anyways, and I'm gonna put the center crosshairs on the center target, so maybe that might be something to check it out, because this is a totally different ammo that I've used, and I'm just now getting a little comfortable with it. So oh man, it's a lot of work, man. It's a lot of work. A lot of work to prep and scout and do everything that you have to do. in order to be successful. So he's gonna stay right there. Well, you're just gonna leave it there and I'll ping it, or what? Oh, so he's coming back down anyways, so whatever. We're gonna take a handful of more shots up there and go about our day. Look at that, man. Somebody's shooting onions. There's an onion. Onions. I wonder what kind of onion it is. Yellow onion, sweet onion, nasty onion. I guess everybody will shoot anything. Come on, man. All this trash. Really? This damn trash. Maybe I gotta organize some kind of D-Rock Outdoors event. We come out here and clean up all this damn trash. Ridiculous. All right, so he's gonna go up that way, and then I'll ping him.
You have to use binoculars.
Huh?
You have to use binoculars.
Oh, okay.
Because I don't want to move the camera from there.
Yeah, I gotcha. All right, so he's gonna be shooting his brother's 7 mag. He's gonna dial it in 100 yards. I'm gonna shut up. You gotta use binoculars.
Okay, so let's look.
So that's probably I'm gonna wrap it up a little bit. It's getting hot, and this place is starting to flood with people a little bit. So we like to get up here, early, handle our business, and get out before everybody else comes up here. 'Cause you never know, with all the shooting and ricochets and all this stuff, it just becomes unsafe, So, but I shot at the target at 100 yards with it coming out of the muzzle. It's 100.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I split it.
Yeah.
It was
half MOA.
a half MOA.
So 1, 2, 3, 3.5.
So I put my center crosshair here, and then this is where I ended up both of these 2 shots.
Yep. When I put center here, that motherfucker up here.
You're way up here.
Oh no, right here.
Oh yeah, maybe.
That's it right there.
Which I was pretty consistent here, so at 100 yards I know what it does and where I gotta go. So, but I gotta walk up that way, and I'll turn you on when I get up there. So I will turn you on. All right, so let's take the walk. People shooting over there. There's people shooting over there. So, is it safe? Probably not, but oh well. Gotta go get it. Whew, all right, so there's the target. We gotta get it and get the hell out of here. Some dudes shooting. We gotta go. Whew. We'll talk about this one when I get down. Heard some ricochets, man. It was pretty scary. You heard it. Meow. Scary stuff, boy. So we like to get out of here early. Man. Whew. Whew. Dang. Whew. Oh man. All right. All right. Okay. So, as you can see, this was that 300-yard shot. Trying to split the difference, trying to figure out what this ammo was doing. If I was shooting for that target, I would have hit it dead on. But we had the center circle on the center here. and that's what happened. I split it up the difference, and then that's when I got this shot and then this shot. So it's not too shabby. I gotta shoot it some more so I can figure out what exactly I need to do when I'm out in the field. And then this is Foster's here. So I mean, kind of the same pattern, but you know, left and right and such, because you know, we're shooting this way, this way, this way, this way. So but that's what we got. So we're packing up. We're gonna head out. It's getting too hot, getting too crowded, like I said. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit like. What?
We're shooting every 2 weeks, right?
Yeah, something like that. We're gonna try to shoot every 2 weeks, so you know, we can get back into the muscle memory of shooting these guns. Shut up! I'm recording a video. Anyways, so we'll be back here next week. I don't know what I'm doing next weekend, if I'm doing anything, so I'll try to keep you guys entertained with my journey on harvesting an elk in 2019. So this is part of the journey, and I enjoy you guys supporting me on that journey. So once again, hit like. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe, and more videos are yet to come. So yeah, I mean, that's it. I don't know if I should do any music in this video or not, but anyways, cue the funky music. Anyway, so all right, we gonna get out of here. Got things to do, so enjoy the rest of your day. Like I said, hit like, subscribe. D-Rock Outdoors, D-Rockisms, all that other good stuff. And special thanks to Foster, Elk Battle. Thanks for taking me up here. He's also enjoying with me on this journey, so I'm gonna shut him talking. Down.